Hello friends and welcome back. It's Mrs. Vincent back with another worksheet for today. We're doing lesson 20 today. So I've got my workbook open to lesson 20. And again, you're gonna need 5 crayons for today. Blue, red, black, brown, and green. Go ahead and pause the video in order to collect any materials that you might need. For those that are ready, we're gonna jump right into my first coloring rule. And this is one where I'm gonna tell you to be a little bit careful because your rule is for your plants. Remember, if it grows in the ground, it's a plant. And a lot of this paper is a plant. So just be careful that you aren't scribbling on this worksheet. You're still trying to take your time, color all the white, but without scribbling, and that is a little bit of a challenge. So this is a pretty reasonable rule, coloring rule. With your green crayon, you're gonna make a mark on any plants you see. If it grows in the ground, it's a plant. We've got trees, we've got bushes, we've got flowers, shrubs, sometimes they're called. All of those things are living things. They are plants that grow in the ground. You've got green plants. Your next coloring rule is for the other living thing that you see on this paper. Remember, plants are living things, but so too are animals. If they grow and move, they are animals. They're also living things. You're going to make marks on all of your animals brown. I'm gonna make a mark on one right now. You're gonna pause the video in order to make sure you have marks for all of your green plants and brown animals. Most of this picture is going to be colored between all of these living things that I just gave you rules for, okay? So go ahead and turn to the back side. And again, we are looking at our sailboat. I think we should be getting really good at the parts of our sailboat by now. So remember, this one is for your black crayon. I'm gonna start with the hull of the boat. You're gonna make a mark on the hull, black. Remember, that's the bottom part where our little mouse friends are sitting. Your next coloring rule is for the mast. He is what holds your missing part up. You're gonna make a mark on the mast, brown, black hull, brown mast. And again, the last part is your missing part. It is for the sail. Remember, anytime you see dotted lines, don't forget to go back and trace in pencil. And then you're gonna make a mark on the sail, red, red sail. The sailboat is a must-do. All the other characters and the kind of ocean or lake or wherever they are, that is a may-do. Must-do is the sailboat, may-do is everything around it, okay? Down at the bottom, we are in a hospital where we have a doctor, a person who helps people get well. We have a nurse, a person who helps a doctor, and we have a patient here in bed. A patient is a person who goes to the doctor, okay? So you're practicing those 3 vocabulary words, but here are your coloring rules. You are going to make a mark on your furniture green. A hospital bed is not a kind of furniture that most people have in their houses, but it is a kind of furniture. Okay, so I made a mark on that hospital bed, green. You need to stop and make marks on all of your furniture, green. Your next coloring rule is for your blue crayon. You're gonna make a mark on all the clothing. If you can wear it, it's clothing. And in this case, our animal friends are wearing some clothing, our doctor and our nurse. You're gonna make a mark on all the clothing, blue, green furniture, blue clothing. Again, anytime you see a dotted line, it means trace in pencil, but know that that chair is also a piece of furniture, so he's gonna need to be colored green. go ahead and you are welcome to pause the video, but we are finished with our rules for today. So don't forget, if you made a mark, you need to go back and color all the way. Don't forget to upload the front and the back to Google Classroom. Until next time, boys and girls, bye-bye.